Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we're going to reorganize my area where I have my pans. What I want to show you today is this right here is a plate holder from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show you 5 different ways to use this besides holding plates. Okay, I've got one here with the label still on it. You can see it is for holding plates. It's made by Essentials, Storage Essentials. So let's get started here. Let's set that over to the side. All right. My husband got me this set here. It is a 20-piece set for Christmas, and it's made by Granite Stone. It's the Diamond Collection, and it is dishwasher safe. It's safe in the oven up to 500 degrees. And also you can use metal utensils in it. So it's an awesome set. So I wanted to store these a little bit better than I have my other pans in the past because they're really nice. But one of the ways you can use this is you can put your bakeware, all your bakeware items in here. So it's a little top heavy right there. But as you put more in it, see there. On this one here, I am going to bend this out a little bit just so I can put my meatloaf pan there. And see, it fits. So I've got it all on there and it fits great. That you can use this is for your pans, and those fit right in there. Now this is a stainless steel pan that I had, but I wasn't getting rid of it. Too good of a pan, but it even fits in there. So you can see all my pans fit in there nicely. And if you need to bend it back a little bit, you can. It's not going to hurt it. But see, they all fit nicely. The third way that you can use this is for your lids. For your pots and pans. I'm going to do it with the largest in the back up to the smallest. And I just, but see, that fits this perfect. This is a great find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You cannot beat that. The fourth way that you can use this is for towels. It holds 4 towels, perfect. You can have that sitting on your bathroom sink. Way that you could use this is for storage for like papers, or this is a wall tile here from the Dollar Tree, or a bag, even mail that you've got, maybe some bills that's due, or just sort through your mail. It's great for all that. Organizing papers or any kind of schoolwork. be perfect. Or if you have felt, like different colors of felt, you could organize the felt in there. There's thousands of possibilities that you can come up with this to use this. But I just think it's a great find, and it's awesome for $1.25. Not beat that. It's a great storage idea. So there is a good hack for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe and share the video. And God bless you. Goodbye till my next video.